Dear student, let's see the very important points related with our topic advanced engineering material, which is the classification of nanomaterial on the basis of their dimensions. ये सवाल आपको आएगा 3 मार्क्स के लिए. क्वेश्चन होगा explain the classification of nanomaterial on the basis of dimension. So nanomaterial होते क्या है? Nanomaterial are those material whose size is 1 to 100 nanometer scale. इस टाइनी पार्टिकल्स को आपको कहना है नैनो मटेरियल विच इज़ नॉट सीन विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर नेकेड आई. ओके, इसकी जो डायमीटर होती हो वो हमारे हेयर्स से मिलियंस ऑफ नैनोमीटर पे स्केल पे होती है. तो क्या होता है देखो, नैनो मटेरियल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर डायमेंशन के टाइप. सो इट इज़ ऑफ 4 टाइप. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डायमेंशन नैनो मटेरियल के 4 टाइप होते हैं. 0 डायमेंशन, 1 डायमेंशन, 2 डायमेंशन, 3 डायमेंशन. So how to write the definition of this type of nanomaterial from their dimension? 0 dimension मतलब these are the material whose all dimensions they are measured in nanoscale. इस मटेरियल की सारे डायमेंशन जो होती है नैनो स्केल में होती है. ओके, व्हाट आर देयर एग्जांपल? नैनो पार्टिकल्स एंड द क्वांटम डॉट्स. सो दीज आर द डायग्राम विच शोइंग 0 डायमेंशन नैनो मटेरियल. तो दीज आर द नैनो पार्टिकल, दीज आर द क्वांटम डॉट्स. सेकेंड, 1 dimensional nanomaterial. 1 dimensional मतलब these are the material which is having 2 dimension, they are in nanoscale out of 3. So ऐसे material की जिनकी 2 dimensions are in nanoscale out of 3, they are said to be 1 dimensional nanomaterial. So the example of these 1 dimensional nanomaterials are nanowires, nanorods, nanoneedles and nanotubes. See the diagram. Nanowires, nanorods, nanotubes and nanoneedles. They are said to be the example of 1D. Next, 2-dimensional nanomaterial. 2-dimensional मतलब these are the material which having only 1 dimension out of 3. They are in a nanoscale. ऐसे material की जिनकी सिर्फ एक dimension nanoscale में होगी तो उनको कहना है 2-dimensional nanomaterial. कौन दिखाएगा ऐसे 2-dimensional nanomaterial? एक तो होगा nanosheets, that is a graphene, nano coating and nanofilm. They are said to be the example of 2-dimensional nanomaterial. Last type of nanomaterial according to the dimension is 3D. 3D मतलब these are the material which having none of the dimension in nanoscale. In 3-dimensional nanomaterial में कोई भी dimension nanoscale में नहीं होगी, उसको आपको कहना है 3-dimension. Examples are nanocrystals, nanocomposite material. They are nothing but 3-dimensional nanomaterial. So like that we have to remember type or classification of nanomaterial on the basis of their dimension. They are 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. Let's see the diagram which showing all the 3 dimension of nanomaterial. Okay, so these are said to be the diagram which showing the 1 dimension, 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimensional nanomaterial where we can see their dimensions. So thank you everyone.